Welcome to Yellow Flicker Adventures. Here we have victim number 1. This is my daily driven 2012 Volkswagen Beetle 2.5 liter 5-cylinder automatic. And this is the candidate that we are going to turn into our adventure vehicle number 1. I got this car a long time ago with 12,500 miles on it. We currently have 190,000 miles on it, and it's been a good car. Been pretty trouble-free, not much maintenance, not much issues. This is going to become our off-road beast. Well, on-road off-road beast, our adventure car, anyway. As you can see here, we're sitting on 17-inch stock wheels, highway tires, no hubcaps because some hooligans stole them. We got a little bit of damage here on the front from a mud flap that ran into me on the highway. A couple scratches in the bumper, a little dent in the hood. You can see where the front license plate mount used to be, but we don't need license plates on the front here in Arizona, so whoops, wrong way with the camera. So we took that off. She's red, it's super dirty, I need to wash it. No major damage, just that front hood thing. So let's take a look inside. As you can see, we got the fancy red dash and red on the steering wheel. Adds a sporty vibe to the car. And for being just a Beetle, it is really fun to drive. If you've never driven one, you're missing out. And then we've got the interiors in pretty good shape. We've got the factory all-weather floor mats in here. Nothing's really worn except for this driver's seat. Driver's seat is coming apart, as you can see here. We just throw this towel over it, which we do anyway, because these leatherette seats are quite sticky in this Southwest heat. Back seats are pretty much brand new condition because we don't really use them. Not bad for a high mileage cruiser. Factory sound system. Not great, but it does the job. Need to tint the windows because they're not tinted, and it heats up inside the car like crazy when the sun starts shining. Here in the trunk, you can see we actually have quite a lot of space in here. Extra set of floor mats for the carpeted ones if we didn't have the all-weather in there. I like this view up here, shooting through the car to the front. You can get a good sense of the layout of the car. We're quite tall, and this car having a rounded rooftop adds quite a bit of headroom, so that's never been an issue, even wearing hats and stuff. Ground clearance, on the other hand, is an issue because it's a highway cruiser, and it's not intended to turn into a Baja Bug. But we're going to see what we can do. Maybe some mods. We'll lift it a bit. Off-road tires, of course. Something to do with the wheels. Either we'll make these cute somehow, or we'll look at another set of wheels, depending on what we decide to do. Front bumper, like I said, got the damages, so we're thinking some kind of lights on the front, maybe, down here. Not really worried about drilling holes in the bumper if there's already holes in the bumper. Anyway, so that's our Beetle that is going to become victim number 1 for our Arizona adventure car. We're keeping it to Arizona right now because we are exploring what's around us, but we will definitely be going farther and all over the Southwest and beyond, hopefully. And this will be victim number one. Like I said, this is going to be an adventure in itself, getting this car all kitted out to become the ultimate adventure vehicle for us. Gets 30 miles to the gallon right now. I'd like to keep it that way, so I don't want to go with too huge tires. But I want to make it functional on-road and off-road, and whatever the weather may throw at us. So we're going to do, like I said, mods, updates to make this car do what we want it to, and do it in a comfortable way so it's not horrible. We don't want it to be loud and have those obnoxious tires like off-road tires tend to do on the highway, and maybe some interior treatments to make it more comfortable for the long drives. But yeah, we're going to explore and have quite a few fun adventures either building the car or driving the car. So if you want to follow along with the adventure and the build, be sure to subscribe. Yellow Flicker Adventures on YouTube and Instagram. All right. Thanks for watching.